Hi warriors! Instead of my usual quarantine picks of the week, I wanted to tell you about a really neat way to get free audiobooks all summer. If you add a library called Audiophile Sync to your Sora app, you can download 2 free audiobooks per week all summer long. The cool thing about this program is that you get to keep the audiobooks. You don't have to turn them back in. So you get to keep them forever. I don't know about you, but I love to, when I'm doing chores, I turn on an audiobook and it makes it go by so much faster. This week, they are offering Stalking Jack the Ripper and Faust. And I haven't read either, well, I've read Faust, but I haven't read Stalking Jack the Ripper, and it looks really interesting, so I've downloaded it and I'm going to try it. I think this is the last day today for these 2 particular books, so be sure to get on there tonight and download those so you can get those and keep them for this week. Also, Mrs. White, a teacher at Lake Mountain, has made a really cool tutorial about how to get this on your phone or on your device or whatever you listen to books on. So I will include that in the description, her little video that shows you how to download it. It's really simple. You just need to add a library to Sora called Audiophile Sync, and you sign in with your regular account, and then you can download those books. Also, for Hunger Games fans, Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes just came out yesterday, and it's a spin-off prequel to the Hunger Games. And so far, I haven't read the whole thing yet, but I'm really loving it. So be sure to get on the waiting list for this one, and have a great week.